Abantu bathesha ngeindlela eziningi ezihlukahlukene ukuze balale bedlile. Abanye bafundile, abanye abafundile. Kodwa akekho ongcono kunomunye. Uhlelo Ithesho lami my hustle lizovundulula inhlobo ezihlukene zamathesho. Sizwe kulabo abaziqhubayo ukuthi benza kanjani. Through this show, we want to expose the youth yaseMzansi to a variety yemisebenzi khona bezokwazi ukwenza wise career choices besabancane. Nawe makukhona ihustle ofuna siyiveze sibhalele ku gabisatv@gmail.com. Leli Ithesho lami my hustle. Ithesho lami. Danko. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Gabisa TV. Washa. Hola wafethu igama uGabisa khuluse siphansi edubane kwelika banana uhlelo lethuke namhlanje luzoconcentrate fully on Africa's Travel Indaba sokwehla se-ICC siyobona i-out yami umnqobi wakamthetho orana iMagaga Media and Communications ngoba yena ikhampani yakhe inikwe umsebenzi we-content development and creation for this entire event asibambambe baphethe ziphi. Africa's biggest trade and leisure showpiece, the Africa's Travel Indaba has recently positioned Durban as the real South Africa's playground and a warm and progressive city to host prestigious business events. The hotel occupancy rate was around 95% full and more than 700 jobs were created during this period. An estimated 500 million was injected into the GDP of the KZN province. Team Gabisa TV was there to provide multimedia coverage under Magaga Media and Communications, who dealt directly with synergy business events under the command of SA Tourism. We had an all-black, Durban-based inclusive multimedia and editorial team of around 30 crew who mastered the occasion with flying colors. This event was attended by 12,000 people from all over the world and had a representation of around 26 African countries, including the newcomers Eritrea and Guinea.
iMagaga Media. Awusitshele mfowethu, content development and creation, what does this entail?
We've been contracted by Synergy Business Events, so it's a company based in Johannesburg that services South African tourism for Africa's Travel Indaba. So obviously they had to find an SMME that is based in Durban to actually assist, you know, the PR function of the event so that we ensure there's consistency in terms of our messages. There's also a better communication in terms of the media being fed the information about the event.
So our task is to give this event mileage with social media, mileage.
That is correct.
Everywhere.
That is correct.
So okufanele ukuthi thina njengeGabisa TV singalale passage.
Gabisa TV.
Otherwise we get fired.
Kunjalo nje. Your videos, your photos will be used on national TV, on international TV. There's also a radio as well for our writing team. Whatever we write will be converted into news. So nje and the trust on our shoulders is quite big.
Awusitshele ngale element kuthini mhlambe iappreciation yakho ku South African tourism nayo synergy ukuthi bakwazi ukunika such a young company such a big responsibility.
No, we are really fortunate. We are really grateful. I mean, we are a startup with only a team of 6 in the office. Of course, we have support staff here when it comes to projects of this magnitude. So for this project, we've actually brought on board an intern which is studying public relations. So we are transferring our skills hands-on in this very international platform.
Me getting this opportunity, it means a lot basically, because it's not just a minor opportunity, like it's something big, you know. This is a first ever experience for me. It's new to me. I've never done this before, so to be given this platform, to be here, it really means a lot.
For us as a black company, to be trusted with this responsibility really signals a very huge message. SAT, South African Tourism, as well as our government, bazimisele ukuthuthukisa umuntu omnyama, bazimisele as well uku-empowerisha.
We say big ups to South African Tourism for giving a young black company an opportunity on a project of this magnitude. Join us as we embark on this year's edition of Africa's Travel Indaba. Sifikile Africa's Travel Indaba namhlanje i-Bond Day, which is i-Business Opportunity Networking Day. La kuzobe kuhlangene osolwazi from different parts of the world bezocebisana ngamasu and global practices lawa asiyisa phambili thina esikwezohwebo. Asingene siyibambe namhlanje ukuthi siphatheleni.
Bond Day, what does it entail, and when as Magaga Media and Communications, EP service or provider?
We've prepared well in advance a speech that Deputy Minister as was present
Deputy Minister.
As part of the keynote here, we also are capturing moments as well. There is a series of panel discussions as well. Okay. We need to do snippets in terms of videos as well. Okay. So I share and then I disseminate to all media platforms.
It gives me an immense pleasure to be part of the 2024 Africa Travel Indaba Business Opportunity Network Day, which is a platform where the industry, professionals, exhibitors, and the media from around the world will have an opportunity to showcase the best of Africa's tourism offerings.
I do want to extend my sincere gratitude to all of you for having made it out to SA, and we hope you've received a very warm KwaZulu-Natal welcome.
We have just changed the name this year to Africa Travel. We've added the African element because we've opened our doors to the rest of the continent.
DM, uhamba kanjani? Isifikile Africa's Travel Indaba.
I know ifikile. Hayi yonke into ihamba ngomumo. Hayi sibambile. Siyathemba ukuthi abantu abaningi abalapha bajabulile bezela ukuzwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi bakhona ukufundisana, bakhona ukuthi yini akufanele bayenze ukuze bathuthukise ezokuvakasha.
Awungitshele sisiwinile, what does Africa's Travel Indaba mean for the city of Durban?
As the city of Durban, we position ourselves as a premium leisure and business tourism destination. It's bringing in a lot of captains of industry in the travel sector, as well as exhibitors that all converge into Durban.
The environment that is being created by these stakeholders, Tourism KZN, Durban Tourism, and eThekwini Municipality, it has enabled us as developers to create a world-class international property award-winning, mind you, that is Oceans Umhlanga.
An event like Africa Travel Indaba provides an opportunity for us to begin to draw people into the rest of the continent, and obviously using South Africa as a springboard.
Why did you find it necessary to come to Africa's Travel Indaba?
We know that Africa's Travel Indaba is the biggest tourism event in the sector. Yeah. So we as a Guinea, a country who wants to showcase the world what we have to offer, we think that it was a good opportunity to come and present Guinea here.
Yes, my hustlers, ngiphethe mina manje umshayeli wokuqala wesimame wala eKZN oshayela ikephe o qualified as pilot, ship navigator. We ship navigator. Lalela, awungitshele yini eyenzakalayo within that field ukwenza show ukuthi ziningi ingane ziba exposed to le career okuyona.
I love this question and I'm so excited to be finally on this show. So we need to understand that what the land produces, the ocean also accommodates. So it's just trying to make sure that there's linkages. There's no jobs on land. So we need to make sure that the youth understands the ocean also belongs to us.
Ma'am, how's Travel Indaba so far?
It is absolutely fantastic. It's so wonderful to see our colleagues and our friends here again, all ready to do great business, to network and really grow the tourism economy.
Oh, first, it's the end of Bond Day, Africa's Travel Indaba. It's been a hectic day. Kodwa siphantile sasipana. Iclient ilhappy ngomsebenzi wethu. Siyabuya futhi kusasa ekseni ngo5 o'clock. Ayibambane khona. Day one Africa's Travel Indaba. Phela namhlanje kuzothi ukushuba ngoba kukhona uminister, kukhona udeputy minister, kukhona upremier, kukhona the entire eThekwini delegation. Kunane opening function la ekuzoshawa khona ibell. Sazoba mnandi sibabamba. This year's edition of Africa's Travel Indaba has attracted about 1,200 exhibitors with a representation of 25 African states and over 1,000 buyers from 55 international countries. This continent's premier travel trade show kick-started with a trade show opening that was attended by delegates ready to do business.
We have no doubt that you will enjoy your stay in our beautiful city. We would like to extend a warm Durban welcome to all of you.
Africa's Travel Indaba is indeed a forum for constructive engagement amongst governments, the private sector, and fellow African nations.
Airport drives air connectivity that enables inter-Africa trade. It also markets the turning point in our tourism and airlift strategy.
The participation of 26 African countries exhibiting this year. The countries represent a total of 344 products, I'm told, that will be showcased, and it's an increase of 14% compared to last year.
Yo, Buffett, what an intense official opening program. Kodwa-ke i-team yami Kabisa TV yenze konke okusemandleni to ensure smooth coverage. Manje sengithi angithathe isikhathi and just do a walkabout. Ngibona ama-stands, ngibona ama-exhibitors and find out what they are gaining from being here. How is it going, Minister?
Very well, and I'm welcoming all our African brothers and sisters from across the continent. I'm very happy.
Among some of the exhibitors are the two international countries, Eritrea and Guinea. Getting good business?
Actually, it's been even better than I expected. We've managed to find the word of everything we were looking for in one place.
We are here to see what goes beyond safari, and I want to see what you have to offer to the Nigerian market and to visitors at large.
It would have been a crime for me to leave without seeing my friend Umngobi. What was your day like today?
In as far as protocol is concerned, we have a representation of over 26 African countries present and represented at Africa's Travel Indaba, and today was the official trade floor opening. So we had to follow people, we had to ensure our photographers are in place, we had to ensure that our multimedia equipment is well in advance so that we get the quality content that we require so that we disseminate it across all boards in terms of national and international media.
Thank you so much for that. Sharp. Perfect. See you tomorrow, day 2. Bushy healthy lifestyle and living go day 2 Africa's Travel Indaba through a fun run namayoga sessions akhona la beach promenade at Durban beachfront. Lalela ama delegates la will be able to take wiser and better decisions. Imzimba izobisi revitalized. Asibamba.
We did the fun run here today, and it was really fun. It was lovely to meet everybody, get a free shirt, and I like it here because it's super flat. I'm from the United States, from Atlanta. It's very hilly in Atlanta, so this was great.
Well, abantu ngicathi bayibonile ke beach promenade yala eThekwini bangavakasha uma bene spare time befuna ukuzoyikhulula ba relax. Manje sengiback at the ICC ngizobona osisi abasebenza nemagaga media and communications, ladies who are making a difference in the media and communication space. Ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi bona le experience abayithola la izobasiza kanjani kuma careers zabo going forward. Asibabamba. Some of the key members within the Makaka Media and Communications team are Zimhlope Zuma, who is a marketing and brand partner. Another one is Bonginkosi Mthembu, who works as an HR and operations manager. Phakama Mbokodo, Washa.
ATI, we ensuring ukuthi your newspaper articles, apumile, your social media, everything that has to do with digital marketing.
My role is ensuring the wellness of the staff at all times. That they look presentable, they're on time, that they deliver on the tasks as our client requires. There is a little bit of pressure, however, I'd like to believe that I'm handling it well, considering the support that I have within my team.
The experience is amazing, and it's also challenging, especially for a small company like AA2. We haven't been exposed to an environment as big as the ATI, but we learn as we go.
Ngicela ukunishiya kuyangijabulisa ukuthola ukuthi nenzani nami kusafanele ngiyobheka i-team yami lapha ngoba phela inini enizobe seningitrapha nithi anitholile ithomba niwatholile ama-video. No, ku right ngiyawuthanda umsebenzi eniwenzayo, sobuye sibambane. The second day was eventful with progressive strides. In an effort to bolster rural tourism and economic inclusivity, 150 properties from villages and small towns received certificates of compliance and recognition for completing the basic quality verification program.
Over the years, Indaba has thoroughly evolved and has increasingly created opportunities for businesses through seminars that is being conducted and workshops that are being held along the side of the trade show.
Inclusion is not a matter of political correctness, but it is the key to growth. So we are happy as a province really to say that our hospitality sector has grown today and there's potential for, massive growth going forward.
Welcoming you to the NTCE 2024 networking session. We invite you to network. We invite you to explore opportunities that each and every one of you is bringing to the table in terms of strengthening tourism development through building meaningful careers within the tourism space.
Well, it's been a productive day and all the best to all the beneficiaries. See you tomorrow as we wrap the event. Hola my hustlers, it's day 3 of Africa's Travel Indaba and it's the last day. Kodwa ngithangizobamba i-vibe la eDurban Exhibition Center. Ngibona ukuthi abantu baphatheke warmly njengoba sihlezi sibathembisa yini. Sazobuyela nase-ICC ngoba khona ama-formalities okuwuvala umcimbi through ama-ATI Awards. Asike siqale sibambe i-vibe la sibone ukuthi sikhiphani.
It has been exceptional. The people of Durban has been so inviting to us, and all the countries that have been here with us. It has been a very great time having us here.
Very exciting, and on our stand, it has been a very busy stand. The team that came here have been very busy. Some of them couldn't even go for lunch.
We are crossing the border from the African countries into South Africa. Africa's Travel Indaba, what does it mean for Ibrahim?
For us, it means an opportunity ukuthi simakethe iMax's lifestyle, simakethe umlazi, simakethe iTheku to the rest of the world.
Sithole ama-delegates avela endaweni ezihlukahlukene zomhlaba kwangena na kwi-economy yethu 500 million. And u-500 million nje esiubala esithi okwamanje sisazothola ukuthi mangakanani amanye amathuba bebekhona.
The event has been brilliant. This event has been exhilarating. There's been a lot of work. There's been a lot of coordination. We've brought in a lot of young people to come and help us. And our whole goal is to train them so they run the next Indabas for years to come, and we retain this Indaba here in KZN.
As a photography graduate, being part of Africa's Travel Indaba was a really great opportunity because it exposed me to a lot of people who are in and around my industry, and gave me an opportunity to showcase my talent, basically. So it was a beautiful experience. I would love to be part of it again.
I got appreciation certificate for synergic business events, which will also count later when I'm looking for jobs.
Into engifundile is to work with abantu abaningi ukwazi ucommunicate.
CEO, what a successful event. Yini eyenza le event ukuthi be successful ngalolu hlobo?
Wonke umuntu who's here at Indaba are actually crucial in benefiting Indaba and the role that they play. So it's the exhibitors as now, as well as some buyers that we have, as well as the African continents, Nabantu from different African countries that have said we are going to invest in Indaba because it's beneficial for Bona.
We are now operating in a very close space that belongs to Abanye Abantu, and for us to just come in and actually deliver, but to also just be proactive as well, to pick up even opportunities, esibonayo ukuthi deserve ukuthi coverage for consumption of the public. I think that was really, really impressive, and I mean, we really, really appreciate the team on the ground, the multimedia team, the editorial team, the account management team as a whole as well. So it's been a good show, siyabonga kakhulu.
Asisho ukuthi we are grateful to Synergy, we are grateful to South African Tourism, we are grateful to the Department of Tourism. Siyabonga kakhulu for the platform that you've given us. It's the end of the road. Sithi nje siyorapha manje, qoqa equipment, submit ama final submissions, isiyobuye ibambane. Nani lapha emakhaya, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Kabisa TV. Washa.
This is Uzimhlophe Wakazuma, a marketing and brand partner to Magaga Media. Leli Ithesho lami, my hustle.
Gamalami ngusibonga inkosi ngwakamthembu. I work for Magaga Media and Communications. I'm responsible for human resources and operations. Leli Ithesho lami, my hustle.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Kabisa TV. Washa.